Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are listening to this tutorial. It is Mr. Hammett here again, and we're looking at the Wednesday homework for literacy. It is titled What is Missing? And you should be used to this from yesterday's homework. So basically, what we have here is a collection of phrases. So all of these lines of words are phrases, which means they're missing out on certain things. They're basically not making sense. If you just say them out loud, they're not going to make sense by themselves. It is your job to try and come up with some words that go either side of the phrase to allow it to make sense. So I'm going to allow you to choose the words that will expand that phrase into a proper sentence. Remembering the sentence needs a capital letter, a full stop, a verb, usually a noun as well, because otherwise we don't know what's actually happening or who it's actually happening to. So it'll be your job to make these collection of phrases into sentences. Same as every day. If you need any help with this, please let Mr. Hammonds or Ms. Wu know on Seesaw. Have a lovely day.